In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Calendar invite in email for different time zone. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. On the main calendar view, look toward the top left and click Create. From the small menu that appears, choose Event. This opens the full event editor where you'll set up all the details that will be sent to your guests by email. Give your event a clear title so everyone immediately understands what it's about. For example, you might enter something like Client Meeting. A descriptive title helps recipients recognize the invite quickly in their inbox and calendar. Next, set the timing with the correct time zone. Under the date and time fields, click Time Zone. This reveals options to specify the event's time zone, which is essential when you're coordinating across regions. Click the time zone option again to open the selector, then use the drop-down to browse and choose the time zone you need. You can scroll the list or search by city or region. Pick the zone that matches where the meeting is anchored, such as the client's location or the host's office, so the schedule is accurate. When you're done, click OK to apply it. A quick tip here. The time zone you choose ensures that every guest automatically sees the meeting converted to their own local time in their calendar and in the email invite, which helps prevent confusion and missed meetings. Now add your guests. In the guest field on the right, start typing their email addresses and select each one. You'll see them appear in the guest list. If you need a virtual meeting link, click the option to add Google Meet video conferencing. This attaches a meeting link directly to the event so your invite email includes everything your guests need to join. Before saving, glance over the details to make sure the title, date, time, and selected time zone are all correct. If your participants span areas with daylight saving changes, it's especially important to confirm the time zone selection so the event stays consistent when time shifts occur. You can also add an agenda or notes in the description box to set expectations, though that's optional. When everything looks good, click Save. Calendar takes care of the rest by sending the event details to your guests by email, and it will display in their calendars adjusted to their local time. That's it. Your cross-time zone invite is set, clear, and ready to go.